Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here, unboxing a product that was actually on my holiday deal picks list on Amazon. If you saw my video on that, I had consolidated all of some of the best deals I saw on Amazon during the 12 days of deals on Amazon. So this one here is the Ezra Lightsaber Blaster Hybrid from the show Star Wars Rebels by Disney. Even if you haven't actually watched the TV show, I think this is a really cool lightsaber to have. It's around $25 currently on Amazon. As usual, I'll put the link in the description. The reason why I'm doing an unboxing video of such a simple toy is because from my past experiences of unboxing several lightsabers, I find that for whatever reason, Hasbro loves to make these boxes super tamper resistant and really difficult to unbox. So we'll see how well we can do for this one. So the first thing you want to do is just take a nice little knife or something and just cut off the tape at both ends so that you can actually open up the cardboard box from both ends. And then at the open cutout location, you're going to have to go ahead and slit a few more tape right here, the clear tape. Right in between the outside box and the actual holding cardboard to the blaster. So I didn't see this initially, so if you missed this, then you're going to be struggling for a few minutes wondering why it won't come out just if you just pull the inside cardboard. So make sure to slit those parts, and then afterwards you have to make sure that some of the cardboard on the inside doesn't get stuck and prevent the unit from just sliding out. So you just gotta watch out for those, and then just little by little just inch it all the way out of the outside cardboard box. And then finally, the last thing you gotta remove is those little laser bullets. They come with 6 of them that you can shoot from this lightsaber blaster. And thank goodness this is probably the easiest thing to remove from this whole setup. So you just need to take your knife once again and just cut the little tape that's holding it down. There's also a little instruction manual, so if you needed to take a reference on how to use this thing, since there are various components and also how to change the battery and all that, you can find it in this little instruction manual. So now that you finally got this lightsaber blaster out of the box, you can have some fun with it. So either you or your kid or whatever you're buying this product for will have a nice time playing with this really unique hybrid lightsaber. As usual, this is only an unboxing video, so down the road a couple weeks from now, I'll have a full review up of how it works out and what my thoughts are on this particular toy and how it stacks up against other lightsabers that I had previously reviewed in the past. So make sure to subscribe to see that. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.